wave god in this motherfucker. Hey, shout my nigga Demi Tito.
Song pop like I'm Iggy. All they talking about is last night like I'm Demi. Say you got.
It's Ink, the godfather of the Voyeurs Trail Show, and my boy Demi TV.
Damn ski pole by Michael Jackson.
Let's see what the chat thinks. Let's see. Cause that nigga Demi was like, I'm king.
As you can see, we put the fucking then as you can see, that we're doing this to get the parasites out of the, I guess you can say detox the fruit from the parasite. You can see. You should always do this to eat all your foods and clean it off. You feel me? Then we're gonna put this in the blender. Shit, man. You can make a concoction, a healthy concoction, and you can make this at home, you feel me? And if you got a blender, any type of blender, you feel me? You can make this at home or whatever. But you can get the ingredients that I have, or you can use whatever you feel like at your local grocery store, farmer's market, whatever you getting fruits, you feel me? But first, I don't know, I might put ice in that bit. I'm gonna put 2 cubes of ice and make it cold. And now I'm gonna put senior PL peaches, hopefully L lemon, and oh shit, I put 1 lemon, 2 lemon, shit, it's a lot of lemons. Let me put the grapes in here first. Grapes. Then we're gonna put the 2 cloves of garlic. I had a third one. I don't know where that bit went. Strawberry, grape. First, we're gonna do this shit. Blend it first, blend it down a little bit. Then we're gonna come back and put more fruit in that bit, you feel me? And we're gonna put some honey. Tripping. Get a sweet taste. What the? gotta warm it up. The honey is crystallized, literally. It's a big tree stem right here. Brother, this that GMO shit. That shit like a pussy. Put some honey. There goes that honey. Now that it's like crystallizing shit. Then we're gonna screw it back on top. Like here, make sure it's tight so you don't want none to seek out. You feel me? Well, that look nice. That blend it down some. We're gonna put some more here. You feel me? Another vitamin. We're gonna throw your ginger in here. We're gonna throw your radish in here. Then we're gonna throw a kiwi in here also. And another kiwi for good luck. Boy, cut this shit effortlessly. No effort. Oh shit. It's gonna be messy actually. I gotta put that bit on slow. It's seeking out. It's seeking out. We can have a little mess on our hand. Go out of that. Holy. Oh shit. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's pretty good. I'm gonna pour some of this out and make a little drink. Now we finna add on some more, you feel me? Oh, that's the other clover garlic. Then we're gonna put another kiwi in here. Shit, yes. Matter of fact, they're like a pussy. Here we got the mango. The mango tango. How the fuck am I supposed to put this whole thing in now? Mangoes are delicious. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to open this the quickest, fast way I can. So good, so juicy. I'm pretty sure it's a seed too right here in the mango, so we wanna try to cut the mango. Get all the extra shit from the mango. Kind of making a mess over here. Oh, looks good. So that's not gonna go well in the blender. Everybody know that. Mango, mango, mango. Strawberry. Strawberry. Sure. That's all for now, folks. We gonna clean up and blend this shit up. I gotta wash my hands. Pour some more honey. Perfect combo. Yeah, pour some more honey in that bit. I'm gonna put the rest of this in there. This probably the best batch smoothie ever. See us all in this? Holy. It's gonna get you right. Lay it right. No kizzy. I need to wipe. Always clean up behind yourself. Rule number one of doing any and anything. Clean up behind your freaking self. And now we're gonna blend this. This is good. It's really good. It's not bitter at all. I mixed the right flavors together. Then that honey just gave it a good balance of sweetness taste. You feel me? And I hope you guys like this. Get your health right. You feel me? Because your health is your wealth. This is spiritual healthy video. You feel me? And hopefully this educate y'all to get y'all health right. Get on y'all health journey. Just like me. You feel me? Love y'all. See y'all next time. I'm out. Shit. As you can see, I've been drinking it. It's good as fuck. And I might be doing or releasing my own custom made local juice. You feel me? I reuse the V8 shit. You feel me? To put it in, use the mix this shit here. You feel me? Yeah, I might sell it out onto the street, or I might just have people test it and like then start it. You feel me? It's like I don't even know how to tell you. It tastes like whatever. You feel me? I don't even know how to explain it. It just tastes healthy. Shit. I don't know. Love y'all. See y'all next time. I'm out.